So this question wants you to shade a region that satisfies all three of the following inequalities. That's the first one, and that's the second, and that is the third. Well, the third is the easiest to do, so let's start with that. The line we need to draw is the line of y is equals to 1. But because there isn't an equal sign, that means y is greater than 1 but not equal 1, we're going to use this line, and when we draw this line, it has to be a dotted line. Let's look at the others. This one here is also dotted, whereas this one has got an equal sign at the bottom, so this is a full line. So let's start by y greater than 1. Now to draw the line y equals to 1, that's probably the easiest for you to do now. Y is equals to 1 is, now that one there is y is equals to 3. Y equals to 1 is just down there. Okay, write down the name of the line. Y is equals to 1, but because it's a dotted line, I need to change the property to dotted line. And as usual, at this stage, we try to help. We'll need to figure out where the region that we are interested in. Now, in this case, y is bigger than 1, so the region is top or bottom. Well, because it's bigger, it has to be at the top. Now, the next two lines we need to draw is x plus y is equals to 5. So I'm going to put that one there. X plus y is equals to 5. And y equals to x plus 2. Y is equals to x plus 2. I'll put them on two sides. Now, how do you draw these lines? Remember, we need to do when x equals to 0 and when y equals to 0. We need to find the coordinate of y when x equals to 0, and we do the same thing for both equations so that you can get two coordinates. So I'm just doing this here. Let's try with the first one. When x equals to 0, that's easy. When x equals to 0, 0 plus y is equals to 5. So y is equals to 5. What is the coordinate? 0, 5. When y equals to 0, again, x plus y is 5. Y equals to 0. This is 0 here. So x plus 0 is equals to 5. So x is equals to 5. The coordinate here is 5, 0. 5, 0. So we've got this one sorted. It is 0, 5, which is here, and 5, 0, which is here. And let's get the line sorted out. Yeah, so the line goes like this, and it's from here all the way to here. And we know it is a dotted line, so let's change it to dotted line. I'm going to make it blue just so that we know this is the one. And let's write down x plus y is equals to 5. That's the line. Now, we got to decide whether y is bigger or smaller. If you look, y is here, smaller sign is here. So y is smaller, therefore y must be underneath, but above the black line. And then the next one is y equals to x plus 2. Let's try a different color here so that we can tell the difference. We use that one there, and that one there, and that one there. Let's change the color. So when x equals to 0, so that is 0. Y is 0 plus 2. So y is equals to 2. That gives me a coordinate 0, 2. Now when y is 0, so y is 0, I'll write this equation again. Y equals to x plus 2. Y is 0. X plus 2 is 0. X must be negative 2. So the coordinate here is minus 2, 0. So what do we have? 0, 2 minus 2, 0. 0, 2 is there. Minus 2, 0 is here. So we get a line, but this is a full line. So this line is going to go from all the way from there. Let me get this right. So that's there. Let me adjust this one here. Goes on the right sections. That's that. That's that. So let's indicate. This is the line of y is equals to x plus 2. So y is equals to x plus 2. It's not quite right, my graph there. Just going to adjust it slightly. Y equals x plus 2. Okay. Now let's determine the region. R is smaller. So R is smaller means R is underneath. Using our normal way of determining the section or the region, this is what we would normally do. We just go, so that is the region that we want, excluding that, and excluding that. Make sure you indicate clearly that's your region. And I will shade this with a highlighter. That's fine. Answer.